A very good morning, dear students. Welcome to e-learning classes of Sacred Hearts of Business Studies. Dear students, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the retail trade, features of retail trade, and thereafter services of retailers to two different elements. The first one is consumer, and the second one is the wholesaler or manufacturer. Dear students, today in our 40th lecture, we are going to discuss about the types of in retailers or the types of retail trades. So, if we talk about the classification of retail trade, there are different criterias for that, and the very first is the size. See in this, retailers differ in size from small stores to big departmental stores. Some customers prefer to visit retail houses, large retail houses, to get a wide variety. For example, some of the people are willing to purchase the goods from the nearby shop only, and some people want to go to the big bazaars. So, what is a big bazaar? Big bazaar is the example of the big departmental stores. So, on the basis of size, also we can categorize the retail shops or the retailers on the large scale or the small scale. The second one, that is the product mix. This is the another criteria for the classification of retail trade on the basis of variety of product kept at the retail showroom. ये किसके basis पे है? The variety of product that you have kept in your शोरूम. आपने कितनी वैरायटी का प्रोडक्ट अपने शोरूम में अवेलेबल या प्रोवाइड कराया है, इसके बेसिस पे हम लोग क्या करते हैं, क्लासीफाई करते हैं. The stores keeping a wide range of different lines of products are called general stores or the departmental stores. A store which is keeping all type of goods in the wide variety. For example, soap, a lot of company soap are there, shampoos, conditioner, and lot of things in the different ranges are available there. These are known as either general stores or the departmental stores. Whereas stores which are dealing in one line of products, for example only stationaries, one line of product, for example only clothes, one line of product means only shoes or the footwears. So this is the one line product. So these are known as the single line or specialty stores. Next, pricing. Generally, retailers add their profit margin and fix the price of the product. Obviously, because every of the producer is working for the profit motive only. See, some retailers sell goods at fixed price. There are some retailers or the shops where the goods are sold out in the very fixed price, and some permit bargaining. है ना, कहीं पे आपको जो प्राइस बताई है वही आपको प्राइस पे करनी होती है. वो बोल देते हैं आपसे कि इट इज़ अ फिक्स प्राइस शॉप, नो बार्गेनिंग इज अलाउड. एंड देर आर सम सर्टेन शॉप्स इन विच अ लॉट ऑफ बार्गेनिंग इज ऑल्सो डन बाय यू पीपल और बाय योर नियर और द डियर वन. सम स्टोर्स लोकेटेड इन द मार्केट एरिया चार्ज अ हाई प्राइस. कुछ स्टोर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो कि मार्केट एरिया में लोकेटेड होते हैं और वो क्या करते हैं, हाई प्राइस चार्ज करते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज द रीज़न? द रीज़न इज दैट दे कवर द कॉस्ट ऑफ मेंटेनिंग शोरूम एज वेल इन दैट. And whereas some stores located in the residential areas charge a very nominal price because they are not having that much maintenance expenses, and that is why their goods comparatively become cheaper one. Next, that is the service level. There are some retail stores who used to provide a lot of services, for example assistance to consumer, free home delivery, credit facility, etc. But there are some stores who don't provide any such type of facility and believe on the self service concept. Next and the last one, that is a form of ownership. So in the second chapter we have read about the forms of business organization. So there can be the different form of ownership here. Some retail shops operate as सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप, कोई सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप हो गया, कोई पार्टनरशिप हो गया. लार्ज जो डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर्स होते हैं दे ऑपरेट एज अ कंपनी. और क्या हो सकता है यहाँ पे आपका कोऑपरेटिव हो सकता है. सो ऑल दीज आर द डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ ओनरशिप ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ विच वी कैन classify the retailers. So this is all about the classification of retailers. Now the next topic, that is the type of retail trade. अब हम लोग retail trade के types को describe करेंगे. Initially we have discussed about the classification of retailers. Now we are going to discuss about the types of retail trade. If we talk about the retail trade, then it is basically divided into two parts. The first one is the itinerant retailers and the second one is the fixed shop retailers. So let us discuss who are itinerants and what is the concept of itinerants. So itinerants refers to the retailers who have no fixed place to sell. Those particular retailers who are selling the goods but they are not having any fixed geographical place. They move from one place to another place in the search of customer. They are also known as mobile vendor. As they move from one place to another place, that is why they are known as the mobile vendors. See the further features of the hawkers. Sorry, now see the different types of itinerants. In the different type of itinerants we will see the very first one, that is the hawkers and peddlers. Now see, hawkers and peddlers move from street to street in the search of customer. जो आपकी streets में, जो आपकी गलियों में जो सामान बेचने के लिए आते हैं, they are the category of the hawkers and peddlers. अब now what is the basic difference between hawker and peddler? This is here. A hawker carries the goods on the wheeled cart or on the back of the animal. The particular person who is coming to your street and carrying a particular cart, a wheeled particular cart, or the cart in which animal is there, that particular person will be known as hawker. And the particular person who used to carry the goods on the head, on the shoulders or on the back, that particular person is known as the peddler. See the features of the hawkers and peddlers. The very first, they move from street to street. ये आपको स्ट्रीट्स में घूमते मिलेंगे, इन बसेस, ट्रेन्स, इन द सर्च ऑफ कस्टमर्स. नेक्स्ट, दे सेल a variety of goods such as fruits, vegetable, toys, bangles, etc. ये मतलब कि different variety products क्या करते हैं, sell out करते हैं. Next, they supply the goods at the doorstep of the customer. Wherever the customer is there, they used to provide the good at the doorstep, wherever the customer is there, either at home or sitting in a train or the bus, etc. See further, they have a fixed price. They have no fixed prices. The prices are according to the bargaining between customer and the hawkers or peddlers. कोई इनकी fixed price नहीं होती है. It depends upon the bargaining कि क्या bargaining हुई है hawkers और peddlers की. Now you can see two images here. The very first is a particular person who is carrying a cart, wheeled cart, and carrying coconuts in that. That particular person will known as hawker. क्या बोलेंगे बेटा, इसको हॉकर बोलेंगे. एंड यू कैन सी द अनदर पर्टिकुलर पर्सन हु इज इन अ ट्रैफिक सेलिंग द चिप्स. दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन इज कैरिंग द गुड on his hand, and that is why the particular person will be known as peddler. Now the next, that is the periodic market traders. These are the traders who sell their goods on a fixed days in the different marketplaces. एक अपने जो गुड्स को ये सेल आउट करते हैं, लेकिन सर्टेन डेज में सर्टेन प्लेसेस पे ही क्या करते हैं, सेल आउट करते हैं. देयर वीकली मार्केट, फॉर एग्जांपल देयर आर वीकली मार्केट in the, for example, Monday market in the Karol Bagh. If you talk about the Delhi, we are taking just example of Delhi. So in Delhi there is a Karol Bagh where the market is joined in the Monday, and thereafter Thursday in the Kingsway camp, Wednesday market in the Rohini, etc. And the same you can see in your Bareilly, in the local areas as well, that there are different days market. Sunday market is there, Thursday market is there in the different places. Now see the features. The very first, they sell their goods in the weekly market or the monthly bazaars or the annual fairs. Periodic market traders का मतलब ये नहीं है बेटा कि it is talking about the weekly only. It can be the monthly as well, or it can be the annual fairs as well. Next, they display their goods or the goods on the temporary structures made outside the shop, which are closed for the weekly holiday. For example, Thursday market in the Bareilly. Generally, all the Bada Bazaar used to kept shut down in the Thursday, and what they used to do, the periodic market trader, they used to show and display their goods in front of these closed shops. So this is the point. Next, they deal in low price and low quality goods. Obviously इनकी price भी low होती है और quality भी goods की क्या होती है, low होती है. They sell a large variety of goods which may include plastic products, utensils, ladies bag and shoes etc. Generally इनके पास भी variety of goods रहती है, जिसमें कि इसने आपको example दिए, plastic product हो गए, utensils हो गए, ladies bag, shoes etc. हो गया. Last, these traders also set up shops ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये सिर्फ मंथली और वीकली हैं. जस्ट राइट नाउ दिवाली हैज़ पास्ड, तो वी हैव सीन दैट द नंबर ऑफ शॉप्स हैव रैंडमली इंक्रीज इन द मार्केट. सो ये जो ट्रेडर्स होते हैं ये फेस्टिवल्स में भी अपनी शॉप्स क्या कर देते हैं, स्टैब्लिश करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ दिवाली, ईद, क्रिसमस एक्सेट्रा. So this is all about today what we have discussed, students. We have discussed about the classification of retailers on the basis of size, product mix, pricing, service level and form of ownership. And we have discussed about the types of retail trade, in which we have discussed about itinerant types of itinerants. In that we have discussed about the hawkers and peddlers and the periodic market traders. This is all about today. God bless you all. Lots of love.